What's going on, guys? Here I am again with another amazing Harley Davidson Softail Slim video. Today I am going to be replacing my two spark plugs. Right there. I went to Harley, bought some OEM spark plugs. These are the cheapest OEM spark plugs I've ever purchased. I think they were like $6 a piece. But the manual does recommend replacing these every 2 years. I've owned the bike for 2 years, a little over 2 years, and I have not replaced them. And I don't believe they've ever been replaced, so here we go. What I'm gonna do though, as you can tell, is a little bit of corrosion. I'm going to hit it with some penetrating oil. That way they don't break on me, or hopefully don't break on me. Good old PB blaster. Threw some PB blaster on there, if you can tell. Let it soak in a little bit. For the spark plug size, it is a 5/8 or a 16 millimeter. Just put it on there. And grab my ratchet. Hopefully there's no issues with these. Oh, that came out pretty easy. There we go. Let's see if it focuses. Here's the other one. So here are the new spark plugs. You want to make sure that the gapping is correct, at least for my bike. It is between 38 and 42 thou. Mine's right at 38 on both of them. I already checked them. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but here it is, 18 plus 20, 38. Check your owner's manual depending on what bike you have. Be able to go in with them. I installed both my spark plugs, tightened them down by hand as far as I could, and then I grabbed my torque wrench. This is inch-pound torque wrench. I'm setting it to 180 inch-pounds, which is the same as 15 foot-pounds. The owner's manual for this twin cam 103 or Softail Slim calls for 11 through 18 foot-pounds, so I'm putting it right in the middle at 15. You're just gonna want to go in here and torque. These are going to be already torqued because I did it off camera, but just for instructional purposes. Then you're going to want to reinstall your plugs. If you replace your plugs, just make sure they go in the correct order. For mine, it's short one on top, long one on the bottom. Good luck. If you have any questions, just shoot me a comment. Thank you for watching, and like the video, subscribe if you want to.